Okay, I'm going to go through all of the odd questions and the answers for the evens. So for number 1, all of these want us to factor completely, and it tells us a hint we have to find the GCF. So for number 1, the greatest common factor for 3r to the 4th and negative 6r to the 3rd are 3r to the 3rd, because we can always take out whatever the smallest exponent of the common variable is, which will leave us with r minus 2. Okay, that is our first term here. Now, the answer to number 2 is 6rb times b plus 8. For question 3, to find the greatest common factor here, we look at what is in common between 4b squared and 20b. That is 4b, which leaves us with b plus 5. For question 4, the answer is 6x times x plus 6. For number 5, we have to find the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor of 3b squared and 12b is 3b, which leaves us with b plus 4. The answer for number 6 is 6x cubed times x plus 7. Now, the next section, we're still factoring completely. We have to look at difference of squares. So let's go ahead and look at number 7. So this one does not have a greatest common factor, so we can go ahead and factor it. 3x is what squares to give us 9x squared, and 5 squares to give us 25, and we need a positive and a negative. The answer here would be 3r minus 4 and 3r plus 4. For number 9, again, we do not have a greatest common factor, so we can go ahead and factor it. What squares to give us 6x squared? That is 4x. What squares to give us 1? It is 1. We need positive and negative. Number 11 has a GCF of 3 that we can take out, and that leaves us with 4b squared minus 9. Now, this here is a difference of squares. So we started with not a difference of squares, took out a GCF, now we have one. So we can factor that by 2b minus 3 times 2b plus 3. Now, whenever you take out a GCF, it needs to be left in front of your final answer. Now, number 10's answer is b plus 1 times b minus 1, and number 12 has a GCF of 3, which leaves you with 4m squared minus 1. We can factor 4m squared minus 1 further by doing 2m plus 1 and 2m minus 1, put a 3 in front. So that is the answers to the 7.3 assignment. Remember, you are only responsible for questions 1 through 6 and your odd questions.